Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will illustrate the solution of the midterm exams, the last one. Actually, after produced cover page like that, look like a 3D and full control of these shapes, colors, all of this was related with insert. Let's come back to home button and how I convert all this to be like the upper statement with all of these changes from bold, underline, highlight with one step, highlighted this, and actually at first I will disappear all of these changes to be like this statement by using format pointer. It's done. Previous step. Let's do that. Let's change all of these to be like the experimental side, like the upper line. Sorry, I mean, let me highlight what I want to be this statement, these words, to be has all of these changes from bold, underline, size, font, and select format to be like that. Okay. Now, how I can convert this an example, this line, and the base form with one step. I use this button to be like that. Now, the most important question is when I have something related with some source and I want to go deeply with it or to check some of information from the source to check up. For example, here, the general purpose guide copy call, I have something with this word. I think it's not copy call, it's another shape. How I can change that? Actually, it's with source number 4. Let's go directly to the references. You should know that. Here, this one. Take all of that. We have two ways. Take all of that, copy, go to Google homepage, not search it by using Google. Why? Because you should have some researcher agents like ResearchGate, Online Library, SunHype, Google Scholar, and paste it in one of them. Let's try the ResearchGate. Paste. Take a look. Maybe Google Scholar, Online Library. For example, this one. Maybe it's not for free. Request full text PDF. Here he asks me about if I am a student or teacher. Let's come back to try another one, or here directly, new page. Let's go to Online Library. Here you have some options about time, the author name. You can check it. After that, you can search. Published in. You can select, you can solve or full all of these to have your specific article or what you are looking for. Let's try Google Scholar. Sorry, it's Google Translate. Google Scholar, this one. Enter. The abstract. Why? Because it's not for free. Just the abstract you have and the references. Let's go to sign up. It's a Russia researcher agent. I have some question, a problem, no. Here I have two ways. I can put all of the title name here and open. And I have, or I have better way. Just let's come back and to take the DOI, the DOI number here. Past. Let's try the same result, okay? Now I succeed to open one of these articles to can check some information. That's it. It's an example, okay? To check this information or to go deeper with this field, okay? That's it.